So today I have on my wrist the Kospet Tank M1. And this new fitness smartwatch is exactly that. It's an ultra durable, rugged smartwatch with 580M water resistance, military standard durability, and the watch looks super tough as well. Kospet claims it can be run over by a 5-ton truck. I might actually try running this watch over with my SUV after finishing the review, just in case it doesn't survive. So first of all, inside the box you will find a user manual, a magnetic USB charging cable, a spare black silicone strap, and of course the watch itself with this really nice camouflage strap. So yeah, I got 2 straps in the box, and of course I had to put this one on straight away. Now the watch itself is made from a combination of metal and plastic. You've got this military style design, and you can see at the top it says tank and 580M. Now the back case is actually made from plastic with your health sensors and charger port. Now on the side you have 2 buttons, a power button and a back button, and you have this nice textured finish to the buttons. On the other side there is nothing. So dimensions, quite a chunky design. It's 54.8mm by 44.6mm, and it's 14.8mm thick, and it weighs 65 grams. Screen size 1.72 inch TFT display with a screen res of 280 by 320. Now this watch is powered by a Realtek chip and runs a basic, easy to use OS. The watch also features Bluetooth version 5, but does not have any built-in Wi-Fi, GPS or LTE. So this is a smart fitness watch. It functions by connecting to your phone and syncing all health data via Bluetooth. So having the faster Bluetooth version 5 is a plus point, as your data transfer and syncing is much quicker, and also connections are more stable. You have 580M water resistance and IP69K waterproof, so good for swimming or even diving. The straps are made from TPU silicone, finished in this grey camo colour. Mine also came with this black strap, and there is a special offer at the moment where you can get both straps included in the box if you buy this before 10th of March. And trust me, the camo strap looks absolutely amazing, so definitely take advantage of the offer. I will also be leaving a coupon code for you in the description box so you can get a further discount. That's what I call a win-win situation right there. So coming back to the straps, they also feature a quick release, so easy to remove and replace with your own 22mm strap. And this is how the watch looks on my wrist. And in case you're wondering, I have a wrist circumference of 7 inches. And yeah, this is a massive watch. They're not wrong when they're calling this a tank. That is exactly what this is, a tank on your wrist. But surprisingly enough, it's not that heavy at 65 grams. So I can have this on all day and my arm's not aching at the end of the day. So the 65 gram weight makes it bearable. So yeah, I'm not minding the weight. I was expecting this to weigh a lot more considering the size of the watch. Now this watch is compatible with both Android and iOS, and the smartphone app is called Fit. And quick look at the app. You have all your health stats on the first page, which is nice and convenient. You can tap to get more detailed information. You also have your settings and options, and then the final page is your personal profile and goals, etc. Easy to use app, user friendly, very quick to sync all your health metrics. Now there are more advanced settings that you can see in the smartphone app, and I will quickly show you them. So notifications, you can switch on whatever's relevant for you. Alarms, so here your shutter button, show you that working. So I'm holding the camera, tap, and it takes a picture. Yep, works perfect. As you can see, photo has been taken. Let's go back. So that's your shutter. If you go to others, you've got more settings. So find device, time format, reminders to move, full day heart rate can be turned on and off, battery saver can be switched on and off. Okay, do not disturb, language. I'll quickly show you what languages you can choose from. So I'm just going to scroll them. I'm not going to say them. I'm sure you guys can recognize these languages, and go back to English. So unit format can be changed. Auto lock, 20 seconds, but you can take it back to 5. Quick view, drink reminder, weather, and so on and so forth. So you have more options and settings within the smartphone app. Now quick look at the charger. So it's a magnetic USB charger. It simply fits on the back. It's not going to fall off easily, so quite a secure magnetic connection. standard USB 5-volt charging, and it does take around 90 minutes to fully charge that 380 milliamp hour battery, but you can expect a solid 15 days battery life, or a massive 50-day battery life. That's 50 if you go into battery saver mode. Now let's have a closer look at the watch features, starting off with changing watch faces. So to change the watch face, you keep the center press for 2 seconds, and then you'll be presented with a whole bunch of different watch faces that you can instantly change to by swiping left or right. And as usual, I will now give you a few examples of the selection of watch faces available on this watch. Now you can also change your watch face using the smartphone app. So you tap on watch faces and you just select the dial you want and it will immediately change. So nice and quick to change your watch face. I do like that. Some of these are animated, and also some of these you can edit. So if it's got an edit next to it, you can edit the watch face. You can change the text color, and you can do a few more things. So you have a handful of watch faces built in, but you can also download more. So if you tap on discover more dials, and then you will see a whole load of watch faces that you can immediately download free of charge to the watch. And I will download one just to show you how long it takes. So let's grab this Apple Watch lookalike here. Download immediately. So it's transferring now. You can see how long it takes for yourself. So there you go, watch face downloaded. I think it took about a minute to download and transfer that, and you can see that becomes dial 12. All right, and just to see what happens, I downloaded another watch face and that became dial 12. So it looks like you can only download one additional watch face at a time. So if you download another one, it will overwrite this one. Now let's have a closer look at the OS. If you swipe down from the top, you've got your quick toggle, so brightness, you've got settings, battery information, weather, etc. If you swipe to the right, you've got this really cool app drawer, and if you have a closer look, you can see the date, time, weather, and then you have a few app shortcuts that you can immediately access. So just tap on them and it will take you directly to that app. So a nice sliding menu there with animation. If you swipe towards the left, you've got your health tiles. So we've got step counter, sleep tracking, heart rate measuring, exercises, blood pressure monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, your local weather, remote shutter for your phone, and you've got a music player. So it's basically a remote, so you can control the music that's playing on your phone. And that's all your health tiles. If we go back and swipe up from the bottom, got your notifications. Now notifications are read only, so you can read them, but you can't reply to them. Now if you press the power button once, it will take you to standby. Press it again, it will come out of standby. If you press the back button, it will take you to all your apps. And I'll quickly show you what we have here. So we've got step counter, sleep, heart rate monitoring, exercises, blood pressure monitoring, SpO2. You got weather, notifications, remote shutter button. You got your music player, breathing exercises, and alarm clock. Then you have your stopwatch timer and a theater button. So when you tap it, if you're watching TV or if you're in a cinema, your watch will just go dim so you don't dazzle others. Now over here, if you tap this button, it gives you the app QR code so you can download the app. Over here, what looks like themes, if you press it, it's basically your watch faces that you can just change. So that's another way to change your watch faces. You've got 3 methods, and then you have settings, and settings is really basic. So you've got brightness, and we are currently on maximum brightness. You've got shake on or shake off, that's going to be vibration. You've got reset, about, power off, and then again, you've got your QR code. So that's basically all your features and apps in a nutshell. Alright, so now it's time to test out the health sensors. So this is the O2 Ring. It's a medical grade sensor which can track both your heart rate and your SpO2, and the results are more or less instant and of course medical grade accuracy. So you can see there 96% blood oxygen, and my heart rate is currently at 88 or 85, and it is going high and low. It's in real time. So we're going to test the heart rate first of all against the medical grade sensor. So currently, we zoom in, 82, it's 96 beats per minute. Yeah, so no matter what I do, it seems like we're only getting 96 beats per minute, not a digit higher, not a digit lower, but my real heart rate is in fact 78 beats per minute right now. So heart rate sensor is not actually working properly. It could be it needs a firmware update, but as it stands, it's not working as it should. My heart rate is on constant 96, and that hasn't changed, and I've tried it a few times, so not sure what's going on there. We're going to test out SpO2 now. It should be 95%. Let's see what happens. So we've got a 95% SpO2, and the medical grade sensor is saying the same, 95% SpO2. So it looks like the SpO2 is correct. Let's test out the blood pressure monitoring. All right, so that's my blood pressure reading, 122/76. Now I am currently monitoring my blood pressure. That is definitely not my blood pressure. That is actually too low to be my blood pressure. My blood pressure is higher than that. It should be hypertension stage 2 level. That's a bit too low. So there you have it, guys. That was the Kospet Tank M1. Very nice design, lots of fitness features built in. I would take the accuracy of the fitness tracking with a pinch of salt. At this price point, expect a durable, rugged fitness tracker. You're not getting any advanced features like Wi-Fi, GPS or third-party app support. And of course, you can't expect that at this price point. This is basically a super durable fitness tracker. Very nice for the price. Links will be in the description box. Grab it before the 10th of March and get yourself 2 straps in the box, including this awesome camo strap. Now, coming back to the heart rate issue, if I do manage to resolve it, I will update you guys in a pinned comment. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.